Give me a minute. How you doing? Good. Step out here for me, bub. I'll explain to you stuff here in a minute, okay?
All right.
Trying to put your stuff on the car.
I got some weed in my pocket.
I don't care about weed. You're fine. Put your hands behind your pocket. You got any weapons on you, Bobby?
Not on me, in my car, though.
Well, you have a weapon in your car?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a gun.
Okay, cool. All right, man. I'll explain to you what's going on here in just a second, okay?
All right.
Where's your weapon at in the car?
On the passenger side.
Okay. All right, cool. Give me this one. Those all right?
Yeah.
All right, come back here for me. There's a gun in the car in the front passenger